Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my LLM wrapper. So if you just navigate to this URL, you're gonna so this is the front end I built. So here you can select all the models. The first five of them are from Amazon Bedrock, and these are from Gemini. These are from OpenAI. So here are all the configuration parameters. You can change them. Here's the max input characters. What this means is I want to kind of truncate the message if it's really long. So here's the Grafana dashboard. I can show you the input and output usage. It's kind of I haven't configured it for the US West for now, but here's the I used it in the US East region, so the US East 1 region. So here's the Bedrock usage, and I primarily use 3.5 Sonnet, and as you can see, here the input tokens in yellow and the output tokens in green. So the input tokens can get really large and they can become quite expensive. So what this max input character does is it's cut the, if you ask it 100 messages, it cut the message to make it less than these. Here's the set key. So you need to input the API key into here. I already did, and it will save it in the cookies. Tell me something about JavaScript. Okay, as you can see, it's streaming. And what's good about this is since the service in United States, so we can use all of those. It kind of acts like a proxy, so we can use Gemini and ChatGPT even if it's geo restricted. So I'm gonna show you the code. As you can see, it's working. It's kind of not polished, the front end. There are a lot other functionalities to add. For example, there should be a copy paste button on each code snippet, and there should also be an image input. It doesn't support image input for now. I'm gonna show you the code. So okay. Here's a .in file example. So you need to have all of the AWS keys. The reason why I didn't use Anthropic keys for the Anthropic models is because Cloud kept suspending my account, so I could never successfully sign up for Cloud. And also, there are way other models on Bedrock than Anthropic. You can look at the model config, and here are the latest models. I think pretty much all of them. I didn't use any old models because old models are not even cheap for each input and output token. So I guess we can start it. Here's also a Tauri app, but it's not ready. So I don't know when I will, or if I will work on the Tauri app. It's it's very buggy and not working. So never mind. Okay. We need to create a .in.local. I created here, so I'm gonna. I think it's here. I'm not gonna show it because it contains all the API keys, and I'm gonna remove it. Okay. So it starts on localhost, right? Okay. Yeah. We're gonna look at the backend code. Where's the backend? It's basically Vercel's AI SDK. It's right here. So it's built on top of Vercel's AI SDK, just a really dummy config. Here are the providers and models. And if we search stream text, basically we're using these functions for like, here are all the parameters, and there are way more parameters to use, but most of them were not using it at all, so I wasn't using them. I don't really need that much parameters, I guess. Like, alright, here's the parameters I am using. So max token, temperature, top P, top K. Here they are. And there are a lot of other parameters. So we're gonna make a API call. It's on localhost API generate. So make an API call to this, and okay. For this example, I just use secret as the API key. Never mind. So it's obviously a local setup, so it doesn't matter. So I am gonna, I think this is the right config, so I'm gonna call it. It returns successfully. We can change the models. Where is it? Okay, we're gonna call the llama 3.1. Of course, this API key is essentially in the here, and it's streaming back outputs. Okay, we're gonna call the Gemini. Where's the Gemini? Okay, there's the service. It says user location is not supported. Basically, we're in China, and Gemini doesn't work here, so there's nothing I can do. But yeah, the server is in America, so like this server is kind of being proxied, so we can call it from here. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it. And the front end is kind of really minimalistic, I would say. But